The fashion design department is 20 years old. It came about because the apparel industry, which is growing at a very rapid rate, was looking for young, trained professionals who understood what the industry wanted, who understood the trade of fashion, who understood design, and who could hit the road running. We get students from all over the country. They come with big ideals, big dreams. They want to become big designers. They want to join big export houses. They want to join big brands. We help them to do that. We don't create individuals, but we just nurture the young talent which comes to us.
This course gives training in fashion design process, creative thinking, draping, pattern making, garment construction. Along with these creative inputs and skill-based programs, there is a lot of business input which is given in.
Even during school time, I was very inclined towards fashion design. Over here at Pearl, we are given great exposure and motivation to create something different and unique.
Fashion is pretty broad-based. You need to understand trends, you need to understand pattern making, you need to know draping, you need to know garment construction. These are the tools. And we give these tools to our students who come to the fashion design department.
The faculty over here is very supportive and they guide us in each and every step, whether it be our designing projects or be any other exposure to the industry.
We have good example of students working with as a head designer with Benetton, ITC Wills Lifestyle, and many of the topmost designers all over India.
At the end of their 4-year undergraduate program, and our students leave the portals of our department, they are totally trained young designers who understand global trends, global fashions, who can interpret fashion, who can work with material, who understand what design is all about. Our students come back from these exchange programs really charged. And they've seen the world, they have seen other design students all over the world, they've interacted with them. I think it puts them at a different level.
I just hope that I'll be able to achieve my dreams of becoming a renowned fashion designer in the industry.
I had a great experience as well, learning fashion, learning art, experiencing the culture, the international exposure, and whatever I'm doing today is from Pearl. I've learned everything and I've put it in practice.
Here's my little advice to students of Pearl. I think college is very important because this is where whatever you will learn here is what will become your pattern and style of work for the rest of your life. Pick up from the streets, pick up from what belongs to us as a tradition. Speed is very essential for clothing because that becomes your time. And yet you need to give quality because this is a market of competition, price points. It's a dog-eat-dog world and the best man wins.
So I think Pearl as a college and fashion design as a department gives students these added advantages which I think just hone them to become better professionals.